Hello there, welcome to a new video of More Like Check channel. Today we're gonna fix together a problem that occurs to all Windows 11 users, including me, and it's the Microsoft Store won't download a software and stuck in 0% or something like that. And it's funny because I was gonna make a tutorial about a software in the Microsoft Store, but I had the same problem. And I knew how to fix it, so I said, hey, maybe people like me are struggling with this, so why not making a video about fixing Windows Store not downloading or stuck in download before making the video that I was planning for. First thing, we're gonna go to settings. And now we're gonna go to apps. We're gonna click on apps and features. You're gonna see the search apps and you're gonna search for Microsoft Store. As you can see, I find it. Click on the three dots and click on advanced options. Now we're gonna scroll down and we will see the receipt. We're gonna click on the repair button. As you can see, I'm gonna apply everything because I have the problem right now and I will fix it. So after clicking repair, you're gonna try to go to Microsoft Store, and if it doesn't work, you're gonna click on reset. This will reset and reset the Microsoft Store to factory settings, and now you're gonna try again. If it doesn't work, I have the plan C, and we're gonna go to the CMD. And we're gonna type that thing that you will see on the screen. I need to run this as administrator, so we're gonna do that together. We're gonna click on run as administrator and click yes. We're gonna type the same thing and we're gonna hit enter. Now we're just gonna wait for the process to complete, so I'm gonna get back to you right now. So after that, I'm sure 100% that the Microsoft Store will work for you, and we will try that together, because these are three methods in one video. So we're gonna try to download any application whatsoever. For example, we're gonna try to download Netflix. By the way, the Microsoft Store is a little slow on Windows 11, but it's still beta, so it's okay. I think the Windows 11 is so far so good. So we're gonna try to download now. And as you can see, it's downloading now, and we're gonna make sure that it's not stuck in the first in 0%. So as you can see, it downloaded the program successfully. So we're gonna run it and try to open the program. So it's funny because this is the original tutorial I was gonna make. It's about this application, Lively Wallpaper, and I wasn't be able to download this program, so that's okay. I'm gonna share this video with you guys, and you're gonna see a little icon on the right upside, so you can see the other video about customizing your Windows 11 and making the taskbar transparent and other things. So as you can see, we fixed this problem easily. So see you on the next video. We will talk about customizing the Windows 11 with this lovely application, Lively Wallpaper. So see you on the next video.